Hey, this is Sonia the RV DJ, and today we're going to show you how to change the cabin filter on a 2018 Chevy Colorado. So what you have to do first is, I've already done it, but if you can see that hole right there, there's a clip with a cord on it. And pretty much what you have to do is go over here, push down on that, and it will release and coil up into the back here. And then you have to squeeze in the sides of the glove compartment so you can drop the glove compartment all the way down to the bottom and expose the area where the cabin filter is kept. So I'll do that and I'll be right back. Alright, so now that we have the glove box dropped all the way down, we're going to access this compartment right here just by pulling the two tabs on either side. That takes the cover off and exposes the cabin filter. So we'll do that right now. So here we have the cabin filter exposed after taking the cover off, and we're just going to take... Alright, so we went in there and we pulled out the cabin filter. Now this one is relatively clean because I changed it in the beginning of August, but I'm going to replace it with a K&N cabin filter. These cabin filters have a tendency to get dirty really quickly, depending on what kind of climate you're in, because the cabin filter brings the air in from the outside and filters it before it comes out of your vents or your heating ducts or whatever. So we're going to take this one out. This is a STP filter, I think, and we're going to replace it with this K&N cabin filter that I ordered. The part number for the Colorado with the 3.6 is VF2071. And installation of this is just a reversal of taking it out. And I'll show you how you do that. So in the box you get a sticker to put on your glove box to let anyone know not to change out your cabin filter. Registration card and your instruction sheet, and the filter itself. Alright, so usually the cabin filter you buy from the store, they have a thing stamped on the side that says airflow this way with an arrow pointing up. And let's see if I can show you that. Yes, here it is. See where it says airflow with an arrow pointing down? I'm sorry. And then you put it in this way, like that, so it's on the side. The K&N filter, you put it in with the K&N logo facing out like this, with the notch up, just like that. And it's just a reversal of how you took the other one out. Slide it in there, put your cover back on, and put your glove box back up, and you're all set. Don't forget to put your clip back on the side of the glove box for the easy open. But anyway, thanks for watching. This was the installation of the K&N cabin filter for the 2018 Chevy Colorado with the 3.6. And we'll see you in the next one.